Welcome sa zip9.com. Gaya ng sinabi ko sa previous video, sabi ko, susolve natin itong polynomial function na to. We will get the zeros using the integral zero theorem. So kung napanood nyo yung previous video, hindi pa natin nasasagutan to, no? Nagbigay tayo ng mas madaling example. But here, we will apply the integral zero theorem, which we have learned from the previous video. No? So if an integer is a zero of a given integral polynomial, then it is a divisor of the constant term of the polynomial. No? So yun ang sinasabi ng integral zero theorem. And when we say integral polynomial, yun yung mga polynomials whose coefficients are integers. So the first thing to check is, bago natin i-apply yung integral zero theorem, yung polynomial ba ay integers ba yung kanyang coefficients? So ano ba yung coefficients niya? 1, negative 4, 1, tsaka 6. So, integers, wala tayong problema. So, we can apply this. Next, if an integer is a zero of a given integral polynomial, then it is a divisor of the constant term of the polynomial. So, ang titignan natin, katulad ng from the previous video, ang titignan natin is yung constant term. No? Sabi niya, pag zero daw ng given integral polynomial, sure ka na divisor siya ng constant term of the polynomial. So meaning, we have to check all the possible divisors of 6 and then apply and then check if it is a zero of the polynomial. No? So ano ba muna yung mga factors or divisors ng positive 6, no? Ano ba yung 6? We have 1 times 6 is equal to 6. We have negative 1 times negative 6 is equal to 6. We have 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 is equal to 6. May naisip pa ba kayong iba? Wala na, no? So, ibig sabihin, the factors or the divisors are anong divisors niya? We have positive and negative 1, positive and negative 2, positive and negative 3, tsaka positive and negative 6. Naku, medyo mahaba-haba pala yung ating gagawin. No? So, ito yung mga i-check natin. Kung pag nag-0 ito, ibig sabihin 0 siya ng function. Na paano tayo makakatipid ng time? Ilan yan? 8 yan, di ba? Pag ang degree mo ng iyong polynomial, degree meaning highest exponent mo ay 3, ibig sabihin 3 lang yung factors niya, no? Kasi 3 linear factors yan, di ba? X minus A times X minus B times X minus C, no? So, ang product nitong tatlong to ay X cubed. Ibig sabihin, tatlong possible polynomials lang, binomials lang yan, no? Gaya din sa quadratic, 2 lang yung factors natin. So, para makatipid tayo sa oras, pag nakatatlo na tayo, ibig sabihin, tapos na tayo. Di ba? Okay? So, check natin isa-isa itong mga to kung are these really the factors of f of x, no? Paano ba natin i-check yan? I-substitute natin, pag nag-0 siya, ibig sabihin, 0 siya ng polynomial, di ba? So, we'll start with, tabi muna natin. Let's start with f of 1. Start muna ito sa positive 1. f of 1 is equal to, substitute natin. Pag na-0 siya, ibig sabihin 0 siya ng polynomial. So, x cubed, 1 cubed, minus 4 times 1 squared, plus 1 minus 6. Tama? So, magiging 1 minus 4, plus 1 minus 6. Negative 3 plus 1. Ilan yun? Negative 2. Negative 3 plus 1, negative 2 minus 6. Negative 8. 0 ba siya? No. It's not a 0 of the function. Next, we have f of negative 1. So, negative 1 cubed minus 4 times negative 1 squared. Sinasubstitute natin siya. Baka nagtataka kayo saan galing, no? Ito yung negative 1 cubed, this is x cubed, minus 4 times negative 1 squared, plus, yung x natin is negative 1. Sinasubstitute natin yung negative 1 sa lahat ng x. And then, plus 6. Oh, wait. Sandali. Plus 6 pala yung dulo nito, no? So, plus 6, 1 minus 4 is negative 3 plus 1. Negative 2 plus 6, this is 4, I think. Tama ba? So, double check natin. 1 cubed minus 4 times 1 squared plus 1 plus 6. So, 1, then minus 4 plus 1 plus 6. So, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Plus 1 is negative 2. Plus 6 is 4. Okay? Next, we have negative 1 cubed is negative 1. And then, minus 4. Kasi magiging positive 1 na to, di ba? Times 4 is 4. Minus 4. Plus negative 1. Plus 6. I think yung tatlong to is negative 6 na, plus 6 is 0. So, f of negative 1 is a 0 of the function. Dalawa na lang, no? What about f of 2? That's 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 squared plus 2 plus 6. No, 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 squared plus 2 plus 6. So, magiging 8 minus 2 squared is 4, diba? Times 4, 16 plus 2 plus 6. At 8 minus 16 is negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So, this is also a 0 of the function. Okay? O, isa na lang pala. No? Burahin na siguro natin to para meron tayong space. What is f of negative 2? Bumalik naman. What is f of negative 2? So this is negative 2 cubed minus 4 times negative 2 squared plus negative 2 plus 6 equals, so magiging negative 8, 4. So minus 16 yan plus negative 2 plus 6. I think obviously hindi to 0, no? So negative 24 minus 2 is negative 26 plus 6 is negative 20. No? What else? F of 3. So, tapos na tayo dito. F of 3 muna. F of 3 equals 3 cubed minus 4 times negative 3 squared plus negative 3 plus 6. So this is 27. 9 times 4 minus 36 plus negative 3 plus no. Sorry. Hindi pala negative. Tuduling na ako. So this is 3 minus 4 times 3 squared plus 3. Hindi siya negative kasi 3 yung nandito. So lahat ng 3 natin dito positive dapat. Plus 6. Tama? Negative 3 cubed minus 4 times 3 squared plus 3 plus 6. So magiging 27 minus, this is 9 times 4, 36 plus 3 plus 6. So 27 minus 36 is negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6 plus 6 0. Tatlo na. So hindi na natin itutuloy yung automatic, hindi na yan kasama. Yung positive and negative 6. So meron tayong roots. Kuha na natin yung roots. Our roots Rx equals, saan yun? Negative 1. X equals 2. And x equals 3. Okay? So, pwede natin i-check kung tama tayo by graphing, no? Dapat, yung graph natin dadaan sa x equals negative 1. Root siya, di ba? O zeros. Pag zeros, dumadaan siya dun sa mga points na yon sa x-axis, no? X equals 2, tsaka x equals 3. No? So, graph natin to. X cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Dapat dadaan siya dito, no? Sa mga points na yan. So, check natin. We have f of x equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Tama ba? X cubed, this is x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. X cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Okay? So, nakita niyo, dumaan siya doon sa point. Kasi yun ang zeros niya. Now, another way to check this is to multiply also, no? Multiply the factors. Pag ganito yung roots mo, syempre, yung factors mo ay, di ba, kinuha natin yung root, di ba, x plus minus 3, for example, equals 0, x equals 3. So, pabalik naman tayo ngayon para makuha natin yung factor, di ba? Pag 3 ang factor mo, x minus 3 ka. Pag x plus 4, kumari, equals 0. Pag x equals negative 4, x plus 4 yung factor mo, di ba? So, kabaliktaran. So, ang factors ay x plus 1, x minus 2, times x minus 3. Pag minultiply mo, dapat eksakto ka dito, di ba? That's one way of checking also aside from graphing. So, I don't know kung may oras pa tayo, but I think we can probably multiply, no? I think unahin natin to. This is easy. So, x squared magiging x plus 1 times x squared minus 5x plus 6, no? Hindi ko na to i-detalye, no? Aralin nyo na lang. So, pag minultiply natin itong dalawang yan, ibig sabihin dapat babalik siya dito, no? So, multiply natin x squared minus 5x plus 6 times x plus 1. So, magiging x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5x squared plus 6x. And then 1 times x squared is x squared minus 5x plus 1 times 6 is 6. Add, we have x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 6. Which is the same as here, diba? X cubed. Oh, sorry. This is not plus, but this is minus. This is addition. So, addition, negative 2 eh. So, negative 4x squared. So, x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6, which is the same as this expression, no? So, ibig sabihin, tama tayo. Okay, so, kinuha natin yung roots and then chinek natin. Summarize ko lang, no? Kinuha natin yung roots or kinuha natin yung zeros by testing all the possible divisors of this. In-apply natin dito by substituting the values of x or the values of the divisors of these two x. Check natin pag 0 siya, it's a 0 of the function. At the same time, check natin by graphing. No? Nag-graph tayo. And then, another way of checking is to multiply all the factors, no? So, I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Siguro magkaroon pa tayo ng isa pang example, no? Sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.